Hey guys, today I'm going to do a random video where I do random animal noises. So, we're going to start with a dog, and then we're going to do a cat. So my dog is... My cat is... Okay, now we're going to be doing a wolf, just like on my best. Okay, comment down below. So basically, in the comment section, do the name of the animal and out of 10 how much you rate it. So next one is gonna be the pig. Now the cow. Moo, moo. Now the hyena. What should I do next? Then I'm a happy llama, sad llama, totally rare. I'm a drowned llama, big fat mama llama, crazy llama, don't forget my record. But what does the fox say? What does the fox say? Cha 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 cha. What the fox say? Secret of the fox, ancient mystery. Okay, I forgot the rest of the song. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Comment down below out of 10 how good I did for each animal noise. Yeah, and you have to put next to the out of 10 the name of the animal. So you put name of the animal out of 10, name of animal out of 10, name of animal out of 10. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Bye.